I'm here above the Arctic Circle, and today I'm going to try a tent that has sponsored me from Haven Planet, and I'm going to test and review it to you guys to see if it's good, because right now it's really cold, and funny enough I only have one layer of clothing on, but let's see if we can survive today's weather. It's gonna be difficult, but yeah, we'll see. So my friend here is helping me to set up the tent, and then he will leave after, so I'll be alone. We've been digging a hole in the shelter here for 20 minutes. It's going forward. So this tent is getting pumped up now, so therefore we attach the pumping system to the vent, like this. It starts snowing now, guys. The weather changes so fast here. It's really amazing. And then a little exercise here. You just start pumping.
I can see already.
The tent is getting pumped up here.
How quick is this, bro?
Yeah, it's really quick. Yeah. Right, guys, the tent is now set up. It took no more than 5 minutes. We just had to understand the system because it's our first time setting it up, but you can see it's very straightforward. Gotta put the things in the tent now in these great conditions. The nature is beautiful here, but I gotta say it's a little bit cold, you know, because I only have one layer on. So, and the wind is penetrating through this cloth, but we stay strong. We are Vikings from the north. Let's go. We just need to remove a bit more snow from the tent, and then we are all set up. Gonna make a fire. There's a storm that just started. That's what I'm telling you guys. The weather changes so fast over here. Alright, I just picked up this wood from my wood storage over there, because as you can see right now it's just snowstorm. I'm pretty much incapable of taking any actions here. It could be pretty dangerous, you know. It's a crazy snowstorm right now, so I'm just gonna start the fire here. Really need to heat myself up and make a fire for myself. I'm gonna cut some wood in the tent now. There's nothing more peaceful than this, guys. I need to make a fire because it's really cold right now, so I'm just gonna get to work. And yeah. Right, so I have these small wood sticks here so I can make the fire now, so it's really great. I don't have any fire starters today, unfortunately, because it is a snowstorm, so that's really annoying that I don't have that. So instead I have some paper here. Right, so the fire is just turned on, which is amazing. It took a bit of time because I didn't have any fire blocks, but you can see now there's a flame going, so it's good. I'm going to begin cooking. The fire has been going for a good amount of time. I'm just cooking some sausages here, you can see on the fire, because I was a little bit hungry. So it's been a great afternoon here, still cooking the food on the fire, as you can see. But I wanted to review the tent here, so from Haven Planet. So great people that sent me this, and you can see the tent is not moving. It's really great, and all the hail and snow stays up there, doesn't go in the tent. And in the tent you can easily be, I would say, 3 or 4 people if you squeeze well. But luckily I'm just there tonight. But it's really, really great, and I'm looking forward to sleeping there. As I told you, to set up the tent was very simple. Now I'm going to see how I sleep in it, but thank you so much for Haven Planet. There's a link in the description in which you can get it with 10% with my discount OG10. I'm gonna put the eggs on the fire. The eggs are now ready. I'm going to eat with my ex. Good morning, guys. It was a long night, but I slept well. I honestly just want to go back home now because, yeah man, it's pretty outrageous conditions. I'm just gonna pack my sleeping bag and that's it, and then I'll take the tent later. My friend will come pick it up It's a great tent, it did the job. The link of the tent is in the description. OG10 for 10%. You can see I'm just leaving the stuff here that my friend is going to pick up, and then the tent. This is a couple days after the adventure. There was a crazy snowstorm, one of the craziest weathers I've experienced while I'm camping. But I wanted to talk about today's backpack, the backpack that Hane Planet gave me, as well as the tent. So this is a super light backpack, which is great for hiking. In here you can stock your water, you can have your laptop here, put your camera equipment here. And I've never seen a backpack which was this light and that can have this much in it. You can see it's a stretchy material, and that just makes it amazing for when you go out camping. As well as the backpack, I also got some waterproof bags here in which you can stock your camera equipment so that it doesn't get wet when it's a snowstorm. I have different things here which makes my adventures easier and more safe, especially my equipment. So in here you will be sure that none of your equipment will become wet. It's really great, really light, and this brand is good for the outdoors, and it's also pretty stylish. Like you see the backpack here, you can definitely wear it around in the city as well. Amazing that you can mix the outdoors and the stylish part, which is the city part. So you can use it really for many things. So what a great backpack here. There's a link for it in the description as well. So yeah, just check it out guys, it's really amazing. And thank you for Hane Planet for sponsoring.